So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me about the actual iPad mini, and many of you want to know within the actual eSIM if you can actually use your actual iPad mini as a phone. So let's go straight into it. So if you turn your iPad mini around and you see this drawing right here, this does mean that you have internet connection. Now, what can you do? So in the past, it is true that you had along the sides, you could actually introduce an actual SIM card, and that would be basically it. But right now, as you can see, you haven't got any place. So what do? You go to mobile data. Here you can see it says transfer iPad plan, find a new plan, or user QR code. So essentially, you can configure an eSIM. What is this? It's a digital SIM in which you can basically use the iPad just as you would with an iPhone. So you can do calls, you can use the Safari internet, just as you can basically convert your actual iPad mini to an actual iPhone. So I think this is pretty much amazing, especially if you want to have a better battery. Essentially, you can see the videos and any video calls much bigger. And in general, I think it's just an advance. The camera of the iPad mini, it's also very good, both the actual frontal as well as the actual lateral. So I do strongly suggest that you give it a try and let me know what you think about the actual newer, let's say, the current version of the iPhone turned into an iPad, okay? So if you've got any questions, as always, just leave it down here in the comments below, and me or anyone from the Learning MD team will answer as early as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching.